How to make getting into real estate investing more affordable. Hi, I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. I'm known as Mr. Omaha, and I've been voted that's my logo in the upper corner of the screen. I've been voted the outstanding agent in Omaha twice, and recently I was honored by the Omaha Area Board of Realtors as being a legend in real estate. But one of the areas that I have begun specializing in with some good success is I have a designation, another one of my many designations. I am a real estate investment specialist. So I am educated to help you make the best choices in analyzing investment property for you to buy. But let's talk about how to make getting into real estate investing more affordable. How do you answer the following questions? Do you have concerns with the current economic situation? Are you or your children on track to accomplish your retirement objectives? Remember, you may think you're too old to get into this, but maybe partnering with one or all of your children in real estate investing might be a good thing to help them prepare for their financial future. But ask yourself, are you paying more than your fair share of taxes? Will you have enough money to maintain your current lifestyle? And do you have enough money saved in case you got sick or could not work for 6 months? Are you saving enough money regularly? Are you in debt more than you would like? Do you have a college savings plan for your children? Are you satisfied with the return from your current investments? And are you generating wealth at your workplace, or are you just making a living? Are you in control of your financial future, or is someone else? But here's how we get started together. We sit down, we talk, we develop a business plan. We begin by looking for low price deals. Now we have to learn to negotiate well, and that is where I am added value to your investment strategy. Borrow money, we're going to borrow money to buy the property or properties that you're going to invest in. But to do that, you need to develop a relationship with your local bank. So here's Mark's 7 keys to becoming a millionaire real estate investor in Omaha. Have a business plan that I just talked about. Save. Live below your means. Don't use credit cards if possible. If you do, in order to get the points to travel, like I do, pay the cards off in full every month. Let your money work hard for you. So this is a way that you can start your own business and be your own financial advisor. So if you want to know more about this type of wealth building opportunity, give me a call today for a confidential interview. I'm Mark Renner, Berkshire Hathaway Real Estate. My contact information is scrolling across the bottom. Give me a call at 402-690-1687 or email me at mark@markrenner.com. And go to my website at markrenner.com and look around. It's an interesting one. You'll see some videos on how is COVID-19 affecting the real estate market. You'll see the video on what is the real estate market in Omaha like. And go to my special reports section where you can order special reports on getting your house ready to sell, how to buy a house, and how to avoid the mistakes that are made. There's special reports, all of which I've written all these special reports on mortgages, builders, what are different builders like, classifications, and what are the costs associated, or how to interview a real estate agent. Again, if you want any of these special reports, call me or email me. I can mail them to you, or I can email them to you because I have them in a digital format. So thanks again for watching. If you want to explore the possibility of real estate investing, please give me a call. Have a good day. and be safe.